Did you know that even a little mistake can ruin your whole anatomy drawing? However, most of aspiring artists are making this mistake. So today I'll show you how you can easily fix it. My name is Arseni, I'm a professional artist working in the game industry. When I was starting to draw anatomy, all of my characters felt broken. And by that I mean really broken. And it continued until one thing happened to me. And this thing was Minecraft. Yes, it saved my art once again. Let me explain. See, I was exploring my Minecraft world and I noticed one strange thing in the distance. Another portal. Basically, it's an entrance to a whole new level, but it was broken, like my anatomy drawings. So I can't reach a new level in Minecraft and in drawing too. To draw anatomy, we often start with chest and pelvis. It's our core foundation. The Nether portal already has its own foundation too, but it's incomplete. So we need to understand how to fill the gap between existing pieces to make it work. In Nether portal, it's simple. Just add an obsidian block and you're ready to go. But how can we make it in our anatomy drawings? I'm sharing my professional experience with you completely for free. Or almost. You can leave a like and it would be a great payoff for me. Thank you. Instead of drawing the connection between chest and pelvis randomly and having the bad results like this, we need to understand the next thing. Our connection element, the belly, has its own volume, like chest and pelvis have their own. So, to connect these two parts, we need to know how to build the volume of the belly in the proper way. And this is the point when many of us fail. That's because we are getting discouraged with the amount of different muscles we think we need to show. But actually, everything is much easier. One of the main keys to anatomy is to draw dynamic and crisp lines. That's why today I'm drawing on Huion's Canvas Pro 16 pen display. I always have a full control of my brush, because this pen tablet has no parallax and also you can see no gap between pen tip and the screen. I personally fell in love with those included felt nibs because of the drawing on paper feeling they give. This 2.5K display has a great color coverage, so I can rely on it while I'm doing my concept art job at the studio. If you want to produce high quality art and need a tablet you can rely on, check the link in the description below. Did you notice that our chest and pelvis are similar to balls? That means we can fill them up with anything we want. So our bottom ball, aka our pelvis, we will fill with the stretched sphere. And the chest we will fill with the same sphere, but smaller. Everything that's left to do is to add skin and the belly button. These two intersecting spheres will create the right connection between chest and pelvis. So we will have the proper volume and the silhouette of the body. This method is great, but it's working perfectly only when you know how to use it in different motions of the body. So watch this next video.